Hello everyone, so today we're going to use proportions to find missing sides of triangles. So we're going to do something called scale factor. So given a scale factor of 2 to 3 and triangle ABC is equal to the triangle PQR, find x. So all we're doing is we're given this ratio of 2 to 3. So notice how 2 is going to go with the small triangle, 3 is going to go with the big triangle, right? 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is bigger than 2. So all that means is that triangle ABC is 2/3 of the size of triangle PQR. That's all that means. So what we want to do first is these triangles are similar, which means the angles are the same and the sides are proportional. So what we want to do is we want to color code the sides so we don't get them confused. So like, let me do this here. Color code the shape, in this case triangle. Okay, so we're going to have AB, right? AB in red. I'll even make the one little line there if you like. So that means PQ is also going to be red. Okay. AC, same thing as PR. So AC will have 2 little tick marks. PR will have 2 little tick marks. And finally, BC, blue is the purple, BC, QR, so that would be this guy here. Now all we have to do is match everything up. So we have our scale factor, 2/3, okay? So 2/3. Notice that this is, right, small, big. I think this one is the small one. This one is the big one. Okay, so when we set up our proportion, right, x is in the big triangle. So x goes down here. Now the side that matches up with x is 6. So I'll put that in green. Now all we do is cross multiply and solve. So we have 2 times x is 2x. So I'll color code it, I guess. So we have 2x equals, and now in green, 3 times 6 is 18. All right, we can all do this from here. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and it's 9. Okay, so you want to make sure that you color code your shape. When they're oriented like this, it's a lot easier, but when you start getting orientations like the next one, make sure you pause this, copy it, right, yada, yada, yada. You start getting it orientated like that, now this is where we really, really need to label our triangle, because this triangle over here, RST, is oriented differently than the triangle ABC. So this is where the labeling is going to really, really come in handy. So we have AB and RS, so RS and AB. Okay. Again, it really helps if you have multiple colored pencils here or pens. AC, RT. We have RT, and we have AC. And then finally, we're going to have BC and ST. So let's just have that on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're given our scale factor. Our scale factor is 4 to 5. So remember, 4 is a smaller number than 5. So this is the small triangle. Okay, that's not how you spell small. It doesn't even look like small. Right, small triangle, right, small triangle here. This guy down here is the big one. For those of you who like Toy Story, yes, that is a reference to Toy Story. If you can put in the comments who says that in Toy Story, I'll give you an extra 5 points. so the small one is what has X, okay? X down here just happens to be the green lines again, the double lines again. So here we have X, so X is gonna go on top this time because we're having a small triangle with the small triangle on top. Okay, so X goes on top. Now the number that matches up with X is gonna be 15, right? 15 has the two green lines, right? 15 here. Okay, so that's small triangle, X goes on top. Big triangle, okay, 15 matches up with X, they're both the green lines, double lines, 15 goes on bottom. Now we cross multiply. 5 times X is 5X equals 15 times 4 is 60. And we're going to divide both sides by 5, and X will be 12. Okay, there's going to be 2 for you to do on your own, so make sure you pause this, copy it, okay? And here is yours. There's number 1, right? There's 2 of them. Make sure you pause, copy it down, draw the triangle, okay? You might get decimals are okay. Yeah, you might get a decimal. Might. Yeah. Decimal. Might not. Okay. And it's either this guy. You might get decimal, you might not. I'm not. I think you won't. But anyway, so there's number 2, and then that is it for today.